Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you turn Find My iPhone on from another device. So guys, to do this, just go to your Find My app. Now after going to Find My app, click the bottom last option, Me. Now after that, here you can see the last option, Help a Friend. Click on it. Now you need to sign in with the Apple ID that had been signed with another device. And after that you will see the device here. You can click on the device, you can play sound, you can mark as lost, you can erase this device or remove this device. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.